All the students are welcome to the English grammar class for 4th. And the chapter name is noun. This is the first chapter here. We are going to discuss about what is noun. Noun, in simple words, we can say that nouns are also known as naming words, name of anything. Like, first we go to the definition. The word that is a word that is the name of a person. Name of a person, animal, place, thing, quality, idea, and is typically used in a sentence. Right? So here you can see that with the definition, if we'll go, the definition, name of a person. For example, if we go, name of a person like Ram, Rohan, Rahul, like these names are there, Sham is there. Any, if it is your name, then also it is a noun. Name of any person is a noun. Name of any animal like elephant is also a noun. Elephant is there. We talk about birds. The name of any bird is also noun, like peacock is there, like this way. If name of place they are said, your city name, your country name, everything comes to this. India, thing, table can be there, things, anything. The pen is there, the copy is there, anything. Then ideas, like these, this is the definition. This is what we call as noun. Noun is also named as naming word, also called as naming word. So noun क्या है, किसी का भी नेम, किसी का भी नाम हम कहते हैं वो नाउन है. नेम ऑफ एनिमल है, प्लेस है, थिंग है, क्वालिटी है, आइडियाज़ है, लाइक दिस. और ये हमेशा आपके सेंटेंस में यूज़ होगा. दिस इज ऑल नाउन इज देयर. टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन. नाउन के टाइप्स कितने हैं? नाउन इज ऑफ 4 टाइप्स. कॉमन नाउन, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. 4 types mainly. This for up to your syllabus. Common noun. So we first we come to the one by one with common noun. Now we come to the definition कि common noun है क्या, उसकी definition क्या है. Common noun, names of person or thing in general. यहाँ पे भी नेम ही होगा. हम जितने भी इसके टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे उन सब में इसके नेम्स ही होंगे. नेम्स किसी का भी, बट जर्नल में. राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, गर्ल, ट्री कॉमन में है. अब बॉय का स्पेशली नेम नहीं है, बट बॉय इज़ देयर. हमें नहीं पता वो कौन है, राहुल है, या गर्ल में दैट रीता इज़ देयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ट्री, देयर इज़ नो स्पेशलिटी. सो कॉमनली हम जिस चीज़ को कहेंगे जिसमें कुछ नहीं नज़र आ रहा है कि वो है किस चीज़ का, पर्टिकुलर नहीं है, सो दैट इज़ कॉमन. कॉमन नाउन. सो ट्री, बस, बुक, बिल्डिंग, शिप, मैन, सर्वेंट, चाइल्ड, फादर, temple, morning, evening, food, these. You can collect some more, you can write some more. This can be a homework that you have to give more example for common noun. So this we have discussed. After the common noun you can make some notes also. आप इनकी definitions लिख भी सकते हैं like this way. Now we come to the next. Now this is proper noun. Proper, it is what? It is a name which refers only to a single person. सिंगल पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. ये यहाँ पे अब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे सबका एक स्पेशल नेम होगा, उसके अलावा वो कोई और नहीं हो सकता. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. और इंग्लिश में जब भी हम प्रॉपर नाउन्स को लिखते हैं तो क्या होता है कि वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से उसकी शुरुआत होती है. दे आर गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टेड विद द कैपिटल लेटर, द प्रॉपर नाउन. So for example, we come to names. India. India is particularly name of our country. So that is why Ramayana is a book. That उसके अलावा कोई और रामायण नहीं है. गीता is also a book. Bible, Quran, epic books. Right? सो दिल्ली किसी इंडिया में कोई और दिल्ली तो नहीं है, गंगा कोई और रिवर नहीं है, हिमालय माउंटेन्स आर नॉट अदर वन, सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ proper noun. So I am giving you some homework question that you can do. For example, question number 1 is, this is your homework, and question number 1 is, what you have to do, you have to write the definition of noun with example. Second question, write 5 more example of common noun. Write 5 examples of proper noun. So in today's class we have studied what is common noun, what is the definition of noun, then proper noun, these two, their fact. In other class we are going to, in our next class we are going to study about the other two types, that collective noun and abstract noun. So you should do this homework. This is for today's class. Thank you.